When I was little, breakfast for Grandma and Mum always started early in the morning. The stove would fill the air with the comforting scent of flour and fresh eggs still warm from the nest. That simple joy stays with us for a... In today's fast-paced world, my child's breakfast is gradually being replaced by quick, grabbed-on-the-go meals. As they grow up, will they have any warm memories of our home kitchen? Hello, I'm Luta Kitchen. Today, join me in preparing a complete breakfast in just 40 minutes. Pan-seared potato bread and cloud eggs. Still the loving flavour of the old days, but tailored for today's fast-paced life. It takes only 5 to 10 minutes to mash the steamed potatoes, mix them with flour, milk and eggs. Did you know that on average a person consumes about 160 to 180 eggs every year? In places like Mexico or Japan, that number even soars to over 300 eggs. Why has this tiny egg gained such global popularity? It's simple. It's a super affordable protein source, packed with nutrients, essential vitamins, and choline for brain health. Most importantly, eggs are incredibly convenient. From fried, poached, and boiled to baking, you can have a perfect dish ready in just a few minutes. Affordable, nutritious, and quick. No wonder the whole world loves them. The best ways to prepare eggs. Prioritise soft-boiled, poached or scrambled eggs with a little butter or oil instead of over-frying at high temperatures, helping to preserve maximum vitamins and nutrients. By this time, the dough has risen. Flatten it into small rounds and drop them straight into the warm pan. The crust turns lightly golden and the soft, fluffy centre releases a rich, delightful aroma. In under 40 minutes, not a single second wasted. Tear off a piece of soft, flavourful potato bread, lightly touch the golden yolk, and watch the silky, creamy sauce pour out. A perfect harmony of crispy, soft, and rich flavours. Cooking at home is our way of enjoying the rhythm of the kitchen and nourishing the souls of our children. Share your breakfast memories with Luta Kitchen. Tomorrow morning, turn on the stove and make this dish with me.